Let's try that one more time. Hey!
Just a second. Hold my calls. These spaces are important because everything in here is designed to get kids ready to read. Basically, we're tricking the kids. There's phonics, there's alphabet, there's the importance of play, imagination. We have spaces for parents to sit and read with their children. It's something that we've talked about and we try to model for parents, but this way we actually have a place for the kids to actually experience it.
You're good enough, you're smart enough, and doggone it, people like you.